we have a casualty. And I think I know who did this. It was not the Roomba, that's for sure. This Sloth used to have a head on it. Joy, would you know anything about that? Are you decapitating sloths now?
Dock cleaning tray is full. Please empty the tray and dirty water tank and place it back in the dock.
The Death Star is barking out orders. And Joy is got her Stormtrooper bandana on. Stormtrooper took out a sloth, eh? I know you didn't shoot it. Stormtroopers can't hit. So, where's the head? Where's the head? Where's the sloth head? No, we're not playing football right now. I'm talking about this guy. What happened here? This guy. It's just, don't look so proud of yourself. That was a poor innocent sloth. You decapitated him. What evil has gotten into you? You really are on the dark side, aren't you? Those Sith eyes. Which one is going to win? So where's his head? What did you do with the sloth head? It's okay. I'm not mad. I'm just curious where it ended up. Let's see it. Downstairs. Oh, I see. Or maybe you did this because you're making your own Halloween costume? Did you want to go as the sloth for Halloween? Is that what's going on here, Joy? You want to be a sloth? Can you say they call me the sloth? Way down in the ghetto? Let's go down before you break my other foot. So can you sit? Good girl. Stay. Stay. I'm just gonna see if it fits. You ripped his head off. Don't get snappy with me. Come here. Come here. Closer. Oh, not that close. Sit. Sit. Baby, sit. Joy, sit. Or you can lay down too, that's cool. Come here. Come here. Well, maybe you need to gnaw some ear holes out first because that's not going to work. But you do kind of look like a sloth. Maybe we will work on that for your Halloween costume. What do you think? That's a project for later.